Hey, and welcome back to How to Do Whatever. Today I'm going to do blue dream nails. I'm starting off with some black polish and I'm going in with the color Midnight Date by Essence on my ring finger. I then go in with some hollow and of course some hearts. I got these hearts from a craft store. So you don't really need to pick nail essentials. Sometimes you can find these tiny things in a normal craft store for $1 or $2, so don't worry about spending too much. I'm going in with some more glitter, so I'm adding some pretty colors I think that are perfect for a blue dream. And I'm just going on it and dabbing it gently on the wet nail polish that is still a little bit wet from before. I then cover everything with a thick coat of glossy top coat. Get sure that everything is really sealed off. And then I'm going over the rest of the nails with a matte top coat. I'm going over the tip with a glossy top coat and then covering the glossy top coat in some glitter. And of course, to hide the fact that I can't pull straight lines, I'm going over it with a silver band and then tidy everything up. Just apply another coat of glossy top coat on the tip of your nail so everything is nice and sealed. And that's it. Subscribe for more, hit the bell button for notifications, and see you next time. Bye!